Mitharay promise batu Livingstone. Kila ban kelat ya kan ni?
Kata terkasih ngatikan. Saya am beliau. Bagi beliau ndola temian kilong biang kelung. Kini baru armut kelaki samla biang.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka court admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, kabala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka by admission ka badunatam, but 6% ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Menteri ke Sarkar Jala Bakmi ketanat ke kot ke kia ba wailat miki shala haga arp khnai trik yoyong arja penrio ula pentip ba Sarkar klathung ya kanhun ke ban bishar ya jingdawa bala pensngau de kinong tre jok EMRI 108 kibla dawa ba Sarkar ka de ban simti hino halade ban penya ya ni ka slem aji sakri bakarki hak jala hak jing karan mikilat pathai kubor ba shala ulaong ba yakarai halor ka ni jingdawa ensashim endalawan pai mission director ka National Health Mission Ramkrishna Chituri naga kamram election hadin kesantrik Jemmang Arja Apun Rio.
See, because right now, last time also the 108 people have come and met me. Because see, now the government, the 108 staff have their own set of concern. They have their own concern, and you know the government also have their limitations. So that's why, because of that, so we have a panel, one team to do some kind of a study where they will come up that like how we can accommodate them, how we can look after the concern, and also the government also won't have to give much. So I already share all these things with them. So we are awaiting for that report. But nevertheless, I have committed to them. I have given my word that because right now, as you all know, my MD of NHM is Ramakrishna Chituri is on election duty in the South India. So he will be coming after 5. So once he comes, then we'll sit along with us. So we'll try to speed up the matter.
The competition jungi kam judai hi katach lane kam kodyat madiat. They are never our competition. Competition jungi kedai mangi para guest house, para instay, para homestay. Kaya mangisak sa ki email pa jung apa di amba yan penkala no syaka guest house lane ka homestay kan. Por bangi penkala ngi ai kerten ka orange homestay. Pingi sedang sya no ka 4 rooms. Tamba naka 4 rooms ni sutho ba ma nomor ni dang kam shu ki rooms ke ni lala ban expand nakadaw ka floor jod ki tourist ila sedang board hadin ngin sala ban expand jo showroom at current ni dan khatsan do habawan kun kini kita che kum mga ngonong mo mga puli for Institute of Hotel Management kun kini ki big companies bawan shini kalong big opportunities hingi ki youth bangin yo company how jaka bangin like shabar bangin tap placement shabar ma habangin la dak puli ingin jaka bangin tap shabar ngi la yo ban tap aka state la jong ki tourist ki long la ka jong ka segment ma uba kambet kambiang oleh sa he'll go for touch lane who want that luxury experience oleh touch budget travelers ki like hakim hotel tekidan ki middle class ki kwa ban sa ha kom kini ki instay ki tang kata ngala ban ka bekam dan jing thot iro yangi ngai baka acknowledge tot ya baro homestays owners lane ki instay lane kiwai ki bentaro recently ngadang should receive kawai ka award ma katin ka gold award jang to sustainable Indian tourism New York ka orange instay ma to ka tekan ka ni kawai ka pani ba ka government hi ka acknowledge lot ya baro ka trahi ban promote lot ya baro